Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, two logical functions, OR and XOR. OR returns true if any condition is true. XOR, short for exclusive OR, only returns true when exactly an odd number of conditions are true. 4 real examples coming up. First up, XOR for an exclusive OR check. We want true only if Pikachu is exactly one of fire or water, not both, not neither. Type equals XOR, open paren, C4 equals quote fire quote, comma, C4 equals quote water quote, close paren, hit enter. C4 is electric. Both conditions evaluate to false, an even number of trues, 0, so XOR returns false. XOR fires only when an odd number of conditions are true. Now the cousin, plain OR. We want true if Meowth is electric or water, either one is enough. Type equals OR, open paren, C5 equals quote electric quote, comma, C5 equals quote water quote, close paren, hit enter. C5 is normal, so both conditions are false, and OR returns false. OR returns true if any condition is true, even all of them. That's the key difference from XOR. Back to XOR with numbers. We want true if Blastoise hits exactly one stat threshold, attack of 100 plus or speed of 100 plus, but not both. Type equals XOR, open paren, G3 greater than or equal 100, comma, K3 greater than or equal 100, close paren, hit enter. Blastoise's attack is 103, true. Speed is 78, false. 1 true, an odd count, so XOR returns true. Last one, wrap XOR inside if for a readable label. Type equals if, open paren, XOR, open paren, E4 greater than or equal 600, comma, K4 greater than or equal 100, close paren, comma, quote, only one elite condition met, quote, comma, quote, both or neither, quote, close paren, hit enter. Pikachu's total is 320, false. Speed is 90, false. Both false means XOR is false, and if returns both or neither. So that's OR and XOR, two logical functions that look similar but behave differently. OR returns true if any condition is true, great for either or both checks. XOR returns true only when an odd number of conditions are true, perfect for exclusive OR logic where you want exactly one match, not both. Both support up to 254 conditions, and both pair beautifully with if for readable labels. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your OR and XOR formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.